Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to look at nouns. These are words that we use all the time, but what is a noun? Well, a noun is a word that we use to talk about a person, a place, or a thing. We use nouns a lot, and sometimes they can be a little difficult. So in the next few videos we're going to look at different types of nouns. So first, nouns in general can be put into two categories. And I know you're probably thinking count and non-count nouns. No, not yet. First, the first two groups are proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns are nouns that are the names of specific people, places, or things. These are words that we use for something that is special or unique. It's its own name. So, for example, for people, maybe Chris S. or Claude or David. These are people's names. It's what we call them. And it's specific to each individual person. Places. Things like Toronto, or Japan, or Brazil. These are proper nouns. They are the names of specific places. We also have, or proper nouns can also be months or days. For example, September, or Tuesday. These talk about specific months or days of the week. Nationalities, when we describe the people from a country. Canadians are very friendly. Koreans are hardworking. These nouns are proper nouns. And finally, some things have very specific names. For example, Coca-Cola, or a store like Walmart. Maybe if you are in class and you sneeze. What do you use? You use a Kleenex. This is the name of a specific brand. In general, we might say tissue. But Kleenex starts with that capital K. So you might see here, you might notice a pattern. With proper nouns, we capitalize the first letter of the word. It's always capital. If the word starts the sentence, it's capital. If the word's in the middle of the sentence, it's capital. If the word ends the sentence, it's also capital. The other type of noun are common nouns. And these are nouns that we use when we talk about people, places, or things, either in general, or if we don't want to use their proper name. So, for example, with people, we might say teacher, or student, or boss, or plumber, or driver. These are words that we use. Maybe man or woman. For places, we use words like city, town, maybe store. We might say Toronto is a beautiful city. And for things, this includes many, many different things, like tables, or chairs, or pens, or markers, or shirts, or glasses. These are all common nouns. You'll also notice here that with common nouns, we don't capitalize the first letter. The only time we do is if the noun is the subject of a sentence and it's the very first word. So, tables are useful. Now, we would capitalize table, but in general, anywhere else in the sentence, we do not capitalize the word. Okay, so this or these are our first two groups, proper nouns and common nouns. In the next video, we're going to look at common nouns a little bit closer. I'll see you soon.